Pakistani birds. Two more young ones there. Young birds, not trained yet, but top Pakistani Kabootar. It's another one. Young birds, not trained yet, like my other ones, but these are proper youngsters. This one's mum, dad's really good high flyers. It's just a youngster, but top bloodline. I got 9 youngsters for this season. These are all not trained. I need to train them, but all these mum dads are really good, strong high flyers, stride flying, high flyers pigeons, and top Pakistani Kabootar. Got another 2 young there, got 2 youngs on the other side, and these are the ones that are flying already, that have been trained. These are proper high flyers. These are young birds, but not the young as the other ones. These are all flying good times. I'll show you the eyes of them in a minute. He's top Pakistani Kabootar. Really good bird. Stop moving. Pakistani Kabootar. These are trained. These can fly. These are trained. These all do really good times, slaty. But if Pakistani, these are all trained. This mum and dad's really good. Top blood. Pause. These are trained flyers, high flyers, young birds, but these are trained. These are all fly. All of these, they're all trained. Good pigeons. These are youngsters, not trained yet, but these will be high flyers soon.
What? You what?
Got another 2 young there. Good mum, dad. Full. See how they're full. Oh yeah. Another 2. These are not trained.